Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add a heading that will have different colors. So here you can see this is my dumb website. Let me log in. Just add /wp-admin. Then here in the dashboard, so now we can install Divi plugins. Just you can get this plugin. So its cost is $79. Divi Super Me Pro. Just we can upload the plugin file, and let me show you how the plugin file looks. Here you can see SuperMe modules for the Divi. Just we can upload the plugin file, and it will take just few seconds for the installation. Then we will activate this plugin. So let's wait. Okay guys, now you can see the plugin is installed. Now let's activate. Then here you can see we got notification to install light version of this plugin. Just install it, and after that activate it. So make sure that you have got these plugins. Then let's go back to the pages. Then here we can view this page on the front side. So guys, when you have installed Divi WordPress theme, you will get this button on the top of every page, and you will also have this option edit with Divi. So these both options can enable Divi Viewer Builder so that you can easily change any content in your sections. So let's see how it works. Now let's scroll down, and here you can see these are various sections that are designed with the Divi Viewer Builder. So let's find plus icon to add a new section. Click here. Then here we can add a new regular section. So let me select 2-column row. Then search for dual heading. So guys, here you can see this is the module. Just add it, and after that here we can add heading color. For example, WordPress, web design. Then here we can change some text, services. Then also here you can see there you can add some text. So this is called after text. Then go to design tab, then headings, and after that for the main text, just we can also change the color, then before text and middle text. So let's see how it works. Now scroll down, and these are various typography options. You can change font family, font color. So this is the main text, then before text and middle text. So this is background color. Let's remove and scroll down. So guys, here you can see we can add heading in various colors. Then click on 3 dots and save it. So in this way you can easily add dual headings in your Divi WordPress website.